Don't be afraid to work as a team. You can wear many hats, but it doesn't mean that you'll be great at every single thing you do. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below, and share this video if you enjoy it. Right, let's get into it. So if you're the type of person that feels like you have to be in control, you have to do everything by yourself, you've got 1,000,001 things going on, and you feel like only you can do things the way you want it, you have to stop being particular. Especially if you're trying to become the best version of yourself, especially let's say if you're trying to build a successful business, you're going to have to learn, or just generally in life you're trying to be a well-rounded person. You might have to work with other people, you might have to work as a team to achieve that one common goal. You can't be too protective, you can't be too controlling to have everything perfect. You can't do 101 tasks and give them 100%. I personally believe you can only focus on one thing and give it 100%. All these other things, you're dividing your attention. So sometimes it may mean telling people your vision and trusting them, trusting that they know your vision and that they will come through and you'll work as a team and have the same common goal. Especially if you're trying to start a business, or you're trying to study while you have children, or you're trying to go to college and work at the same time. You can't wear all the hats and be successful at everything. You have to share the responsibility. You might have to deploy someone that you trust to oversee everything, but sometimes you may have to let people do things as best as they can. You're not going to be great at everything. Sometimes to be able to become the best version of yourself, to be able to live that life you've always wanted, it may mean employing other people as part of a team. It may mean employing an assistant. It may mean having people look after your kids while you go to work. It may mean studying while you go to work. It may mean that having to divide tasks so you can all achieve one common goal. Everyone has something different to offer that can only add to the dream, to the goal, to that one common goal that you're all trying to achieve. Everyone has different skills. Even in a relationship and in a partnership, one person might be good at finances and handling money. You may be good at raising kids. You work commonly as a team to be able to raise the children, to raise a happy family. It doesn't mean that you wear all the hats around the house. You can't be the accountant, you can't be the wife, you can't be the mother and then be yourself at the same time. It's about sharing the responsibilities. The same thing can be applied in a business. It's about sharing your responsibilities with people you trust, but the key is making sure that you've got a common goal. Okay, so don't be scared to work as a team. Don't be scared to share your vision and let go of your business that you've started from scratch. Sometimes it may mean giving the hat to somebody else so that you can progress and become better. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.